Ever walked past a bonsai and thought, I want one, but I've got no idea where to start? Good news, picking your first bonsai is way easier than you think. No tools, no bonsai gods watching, just one beginner tree and a bit of patience. Start with the ficus. It's basically the golden retriever of beginner bonsai. Loyal, forgiving, and doesn't throw tantrums if you forget to water it once. It loves bright rooms, doesn't need frost, and even grows new roots above the soil. Magic. Next up, Chinese elm. This one's like your slightly grumpy but wise plant mentor. It grows outdoors or indoors with good light, responds well to pruning, and rewards you with tiny branches that ramify like crazy. If you like shaping things and seeing fast progress, this is your tree. Or go for jade. Also called Portulacaria afra, it's more succulent than bonsai, but it still counts. No leaves in winter, no stress. These guys store water like mini camels and bounce back from neglect better than most relationships. Can't decide? Here's the trick. Want indoors all year? Ficus, like shaping branches? Go elm? Bad at watering? Jade. No wrong answer. Just pick the one you like looking at. That's what keeps you coming back. And if you want real beginner tips, no fluff, no gatekeeping, grab our Essential Bonsai Guide. It's packed with care charts, styling tips, and a few secrets I probably wasn't meant to share. You can grab it at bonsaibarn.shop or follow the link on screen. That's where all the bonsai nerds are headed anyway. Remember, it's not about having the perfect bonsai. It's about picking one and learning with it. They'll grow. You'll grow, and you'll both mess up a few times. That's kind of the point. Subscribe if you want to grow your tree with us, one leaf at a time. See you in the next one.